Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. If you're installing one of our carbon fiber door panel extension upgrades, we're going to show you a quick and easy way to remove your current door panel. So check it out. It's very easy, it's very safe, and again, removing the wood or the white ones, anybody can do. No tools are required. The first thing we want to do is we want to put some blue tape right in the crack, since we don't want to scratch the vinyl wood panel below it. So you can go right up to the aluminum. We recommend even going over it a little bit, and then up the side. Again, we're going to show you how to remove this and unsnap it without using the fishing line. That was our old technique. We figured out a little easier way to do it. So the first way to do it we want to show you is with a pry tool or a plastic shim or something that you'll use to push it out with. It's very, very easy, and then we're going to show you another way. So take a plastic pry tool. You might find it in your toolbox. Don't use anything metal, only plastic. Put it just like this, and then push it, and it unsnaps. So all 7 snaps come off very easy. If you're having issues with the fishing line, or you don't want to use the fishing line, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it that we can't believe works is you can use your fingers. You put your hands in here and you're going to pull down and away at the same time. So 2 hands in here and pull down and away. So you'll notice all the clips are on angles. So they're all angled upward. So this downward force makes it really easy to remove. And again, then you just take your carbon fiber piece, slide it in the same slot, pop it right in, line it up with the tabs, snap it in, and remove all the blue tape. So that's it. You might want to take the tape off first. So we're going to go in reverse one time here and show you one more time. Carbon fiber behind it, loosen the panel. So take all the blue tape off first, since you don't want it to get caught behind the moldings. And take off this piece, and then take your carbon fiber piece, install it the same way, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching, and of course the dashboard's even easier. Thank you, RPM Tesla.